Have you ever stepped out of a train station in a new city, looked at your phone and realized you have no idea which way is north? Or perhaps a tourist has stopped you on the street, asked for the nearest pharmacy, and even though you knew exactly where it was, you couldn't find the English words to tell them? It's a frustrating feeling. Being able to navigate physical space is one of the most practical skills you can have in any language. It's about more than just maps. It's about independence and the confidence to explore. Today, we're going to make sure you never feel lost again. We are moving beyond the where is stage and mastering the specific language of locations and directions. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe exactly where things are and give clear step-by-step instructions to get from point A to point B. Whether you are traveling abroad or helping a neighbor, today is about finding your way. Welcome to day 17. To describe where something is, we need prepositions of place. These are the small words that act like anchors for objects. Let's look at the three most important ones for today. First, behind. If the pharmacy is at the back of the supermarket, it is behind the supermarket. Think of your shadow, it is usually behind you. Second, in front of this is the opposite. If you are standing at the entrance of a cinema, you are in front of the cinema. Third, next to, this means beside or at the side of. If there's a cafe and a bookstore sharing a wall, the cafe is next to the bookstore. Now, knowing where a building is doesn't help if you don't know how to get there. For that, we need direction verbs. These are usually imperatives, which means we give them as direct instructions. The most common is go straight. This means do not turn, stay on the road you are on. You might also hear go straight ahead or keep going. Next, we have turn left and turn right. These are simple but vital. Then there is cross, as in cross the street or cross the bridge. This means to go from one side to the other. Finally, we have at the corner. This is the point where two streets meet. We often say turn left at the corner. When we combine these, we create a path. Instead of just saying go there, we say go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right at the corner. The bank will be next to the post office. See how we combine the movement? Go straight, turn right, with the location next to. This is the formula for perfect directions. It's time to put your ears and your imagination to work. This is a mental map exercise. I'm going to give you 3 different sets of directions. I want you to follow my words with your eyes on the screen, or better yet, try to visualize the turns in your mind. Round 1, finding the library. You are standing in front of the train station. Listen carefully. Go straight for 1 block. At the first corner, turn left. Walk past the cafe. The library is the second building on your right, next to the park. Did you find it? Let's do it again, but you repeat the instructions after me. Go straight, turn left at the corner. The library is next to the park. Round 2, finding the hospital. Now you are standing in front of the library. Listen, turn right and walk back to the corner. Cross the street, go straight until you see a tall blue building. That is the hotel. The hospital is directly behind the hotel. Let's practice those verbs. Repeat after me. Cross the street. Go straight. It is behind the hotel. Round 3, helping a stranger. Imagine someone stops you and asks, "Excuse me, how do I get to the cafe?" You are at the hospital. You say, "Go to the corner and turn left, go straight past the hotel. The cafe is on your left, in front of the fountain." Excellent. Now let's try a listen and respond drill. I will ask you where a building is based on a visual cue, and you answer out loud. Where is the pharmacy? Answer, it is next to the bank, or it is between the grocery store and the bank. Where is the school? Answer, it is across from the park, or it is in front of the park. Good. One final tip for directions: always use landmarks. Phrases like next to the big tree or across from the red building are much more helpful than just saying turn left. Your goal is to create a picture in the other person's mind. Let's review our toolkit for day 17. To describe a static location, we use behind, in front of, and next to. These tell us where something is sitting right now. To describe movement, we use go straight, turn left, turn right, and cross. These are the action words that get us moving. The secret to being understood when giving directions is to speak slowly and use your hands. Yes, even in English. Gestures help reinforce the words left and right. If you are the one receiving directions and you feel confused, you can always ask, could you repeat that? Or, is it near here? Navigating a new language is exactly like navigating a new city. At first, every turn feels strange and you have to check your map constantly, but the more you walk those streets, the more familiar they become. Today you've learned the street signs of the English language. It's time for your Day 17 challenge. Today, I want you to practice micro directions. I want you to explain out loud or in the comments how to get from your bed to your front door. Use at least 3 of the words we learned today. For example, first, I go straight out of my bedroom, I turn right at the kitchen, my front door is next to the coat rack. This might seem simple, but describing a path you know perfectly in your own language is the best way to train your brain to think in English directions. Try to visualize your house as you say the words. You are doing an incredible job. We are well into the second half of our challenge, and your vocabulary is growing every single day. If you found this lesson helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who is also learning English. Tomorrow, we are going to talk about something everyone loves: shopping and money. We'll learn how to ask for prices, talk about sizes, and handle transactions with confidence. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss day 18. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I will see you in the next lesson.